Yo, OneKnockTV, you don't know John Bling, Mr. Mirror. True reflection of what most people strive to be. You don't know we're there. Live and living colors. You see that?
So John Bling, how are you doing, sir?
Yo, I'm a good man for have life. I agree with you, and hear that. Yeah, man.
I noticed that you have been doing a lot in the dancehall scene, especially with your new song, Heart Transplant. Tell us about that.
Alright, you know, Heart Transplant are one of my current new single right now up on the Tambling Rhythm, called in this record, and I put only for strength in my car. Heart Transplant is basically about a song where, for the bad mind people, them just basically tell them, say, oh, you need a heart transplant. You understand? When I say heart transplant, I mean physically take out your heart. You have to renew your heart, stop bad mind. You understand? So, that's basically that. We just approve love and I think I make people know, say, oh, you have to just love each other and just, you see me? Cut out our bad mind and all negativity. Heart transplant. Yeah, man.
So our fans receiving that song?
Alright, right now, it's song fairly new, as you know, just I get 1 and 2 rotation. We have a different marketing strategy for market that song there. You see me? So, the people that take on to it, because as you see the concept different. Normally people do song, they say, yo, stop bad mind, or them say bad mind, they say heart transplant. So basically, I deal with the art, so I come with something different. So, the people that gonna love it, because anything John Bling do, they don't know as I say, we do it for our art, so, you see me? Yeah, man.
So is that the only song you have out now?
Well, right now, for now, yeah, Heart Transplant is a single I run with. We have another single called We Have the World to Move Again with Tabitha Shea. You don't know, ZJ Ice production that. I plan to put that in a rotation as well. It's a dancing song, you don't know. I'm one of the persons who help bring back dancing in a dance hall. You see me with the way of the dance movement, and we involve all of the dancers, the foundation dancers, them from Ding Dong, Mad Michelle, Kiva, Craig Jet, Saniki, Boise. You understand? Name them. So we have bring back the dancing thing with that one there. We have the world and move again. So you can look out for all the single from John Bling. Right now I try to work on an EP, I work on a mixtape. So I just then I studio the crazy recording. You know, I'm a dancer as well, / actor, featured in the movie Jamaican Mafia. So I just take time out and I put some recording and that thing, some recording thing together right now. Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about that feature in the Jamaican Mafia.
Oh, well, you know, Jamaican Mafia, one of the biggest movies since Shatters for come out of Jamaica. You know what I mean? I get a cameo appearance in the movie and thing. Being the fact that I have a relationship with these people because we've been working together for a while now. This is like my second movie debut. We did a movie called Dancehall, but it wasn't so successful like Jamaican Mafia. So, I don't know, Jamaican Mafia present itself and I say, alright, then I'm going to grab the opportunity. Even though it's a different flip from a Dancehall Grace, because a Dancehall Grace was more showcasing dancing in a Jamaican thing, but you know, Jamaican Mafia is a gangster lifestyle. But we're not really portraying no badness, but we just show them, say, if it come to the means and thing, we can defend ourselves. So, yeah, Jamaican Mafia, I do good for my career, because as I say, one of the biggest movies since Shatters. You don't know, Yard Boys production. You see me? So, yeah, it's a good look scene here, brother. Yeah, man.
I know that you're in the movie business and also the music and the dance, and I also know that you have a little thing about production and directing.
Yeah, boy, I tell you, multi-talented, you don't know, John Bling, I'm a dancer, I'm an artist, I try to look at acting thing, I do producing, and so I tell you about the We Are The Dance project, that's my project with Danny Champagne. Who don't know Danny Champagne, is a prominent person out of Jamaican thing. Him give Bogle and Vicemail one of the biggest dancing single hit. Wedding Time. So yeah, you don't know, as I say, I do production, I do lecturing, I'm in the process of write my book, which I done write my book already, but I lose the files or the hard drive with my stuff them. Cause you don't know, unfortunately, but I recuperate over that and reshuffle again and think. What if I think John Bling do, man? Name it. What if I slashes? I write songs to so. Yeah, man.
So do you manage your time?
I don't know that people I say, yo, oh, you do so much thing, but wherever my service is required, I do lecturing too. So we just do it when we can do it. You see me? So it's hard to manage, because right now, since I'm in the studio now, I'm putting all the time and I'm recording, and I get to dance as much, because I have a dance session, Dance Jamaica, every Tuesday when I teach dancing, as I tell you earlier, I'm do lecturing. But through me I put more time and I'm recording, and I get to dance, so I leave studio. At night time, I can't even get to go up on the road for go dance because I'm tired and thing. But I find out say music, you can get royalties off of music, and the royalties are up on your foot. So even though I've been a dancing on the street for so long, I am one of the founding fathers of the group Black Blingers. We're credited for creating dance such as Take Away Yourself, MySpace, Black Them Out, amongst others. And it never really give me that financial background I need to put me stable. So I find out so I have to do some recordings now so I can get some royalties. So that's why I'm in the studio now as I speak. You see me? I try to put in some time in my recording. So I try to balance it out as it comes, you see me, brother? Yeah, man.
So when did you realize, or how long have you realized that, say, hey, music is the thing to do?
Alright, you know, so it's from a long time we've been on the music. Music was one of the first things I did I do, because from me I go to school, I do music, I write my local song, them and whatever. You see me? Me if used to work with the government, Ministry of Local Government, in that time that even when I work with the government, I still a pencil my local song. So music was something where I always want to do, because I always want to have a voice so I can talk to the people and express how me feel. But as you know, dancing give with the establishment, because with dancing it's much easier. Because even some of the artists them will do songs. Once they do a dancing song, you know, you give them that big buzz. So dancing go with the establishment, and I say, well, since I already get the establishment, let me just cross over the music. But it's something will always be a part of me from long time. Yeah, man.
Dancehall is really competitive, right?
Yeah.
So how do you maintain your relevance?
Alright, for me, I don't really watch a competition because in everything there's competition. It's just a difference where you have to add to the table. You understand? That's why I try to make my music different. As when we talk about even the same art transplant, normally you hear a bad mind song, people talk about you need to stop bad mind, or me no bad mind. I say art transplant, so it's something different. I say, what do you mean by art transplant? You understand? So that's how me stay relevant. I just stay in my own lane, do my own thing, do things that people can relate to. You understand? Motivate people and inspire people. That's why I say Mr. Mirror. True reflection of what most people strive to be. So enough youth in the street and me motivate them and inspire them. When them see me, them say them want to be like John Bling because how them see me make my attempt to do certain things. I'm not successful financially if you say, yo, I have certain things, but I'm successful because of the things that I accomplish. Everything that I desire and I want to do, I accomplish it. My dream to be an actor in terms of, I grew up, I watch Paul Campbell, them, as you know, Paul Campbell is one of the most famous actors in Jamaica, and my dream for work with them person there, and I see it happen. So at the end of the day, me see success is not a destination but more like a journey. So them things there I will motivate me to stay relevant and stay in my own local lane. You understand? Yeah, man.
So do you have anything planned for the summer where shows are concerned and music?
Well, in terms of bookings, no, I don't really have no bookings for the summer. And things as well, I just go and do some recordings, which part it pick up from there, it pick up. Maybe put some promotion in the art transplant. Maybe shoot a video feed anytime soon. And you don't know, as well, I say we have the World of Move Again single. We have another dancing single, Foot Asleep on Gas. You don't know, on the Rat Shop Rhythm, Rush Hour Production. So we have quite a few singles, but as well, I say, brother, you ask me an important question, how you balance the time? As a dancer and a recording artist, we write songs and all of them things that for balance the time, it hectic. Because when I leave studio more time, I never have the energy to go in the street or dance. But I do it by the grace of God and thing. People can look out for all the greatness from John Bling, man. You don't know OneKnockTV, them a follow us up. You don't know you have to stay tuned to OneKnockTV for the latest of everything. You understand? Because they bring the greatest of everything. You see me? Yeah, man.
So tell us a little bit about social media and how fans are receiving you on there.
Alright, for my social media, you don't know, say, John Bling 1 on Instagram. For my social media, my fans them love me, because every day my fans them get up, them can feel inspired. As I tell you, some inspire people. Because I have my little personal quotes that I put up. Sometimes some people feel down and they message me and they say, John Bling, you know, say that's something that we put up today. It inspire me and motivate me. So the fans them receive me on Facebook, but the same thing. Because everything I put out there, brother, I don't live my life for myself alone. I live my life so I can motivate people, because they motivate me too. You understand? So the people that receive me good, man, on Facebook, you don't know John Bling on Facebook, John Bling on Twitter, yeah, man.
Well, thank you for taking the time out, John Bling.
OneKnockTV. I know one girl me knock, and a two girl me knock, and a three, and a four, and a five girl me knock. But every girl when me knock, them have to come back, run back, come circle the block. Yo, one knock, a John Bling there. You hear that? You see that? Art transplant.